it led to so many pull requests by people who never wrote software. I mean, it also did show that people never wrote software. So I call them prompt requests in the end. But I don't want to like pull that down, because every time someone made the first pull request is a win for a society, you know? Like it doesn't matter how shitty it is. You got to start somewhere. So I know there's like this whole big movement that people complain about open source and the quality of PRs and a whole different level of problems. But on a different level, I found it very meaningful that I built something that people love to think of so much that they actually start to learn how open source works.
Yeah, you were the OpenClaw project was a first pull request. You were the first for so many. That is magical. So many people that don't know how to program are taking their first step into the programming world with this.
Isn't that a step up for humanity? Isn't that cool?
Creating builders.
Yeah. Like the bar to do that was so high, and like with agents and with the right software, it just like went lower and lower. I don't know. I was I also organize another type of meetup. I called it Cloud Code Anonymous. You can get the inspiration from. Now I call it Agents Anonymous for reasons.
Agents Anonymous.
And
oh, it's so funny on so many levels. I'm sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
And there was this one guy who talked to me. He's like, I run this design agency, and we never had custom software, and now I have like 25 little web services for various things that help me in my business, and I don't even know how they work, but they work. And he was just like very happy that my stuff solved some of his problems, and he was like curious enough that he actually came to like a agentic meetup, even though he doesn't really know how software works.